So, hi, dear Libra. Very, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is 7 days, 7 oracle messages for all the Libra, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from 20th till the 26th of April 2026. Please keep in mind the messages are general, they might or might not resonate. Even if they are resonating 100% with you, don't take them as a personal reading. And whatever choices or decisions you guys are going to make based on these readings is your responsibility. For personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass, 2 links are given below. So let's start. Let's see for Libra what we have for this week. Overall energy for Libra people for this week. We have the Knight of Ariel. There is so much to accomplish. You might be doing so many things at the same time, or even if you are trying to achieve one goal, there is so much to do, so many things to do. Make a very detailed plan, make a proper plan and strategy to move forward in a proper way. Being watched over by someone kind. Someone kind is watching you, maybe a senior, maybe a colleague, maybe a friend, or somebody who adores you or who really appreciates you. So they're watching you. They might turn up at some time, show up at some time to help you. Cool, in some way. For 20th, we have the world, a very happy ending coming full circle, spiritual growth and insight. Something is ending here. Maybe again, a project is ending. You guys are working on something that is ending, something coming full circle, and that is going to create a lot of happiness in your life. Spiritual growth is also happening, and a lot of insights are also coming. If you guys are consciously working on your spirituality, working on your healing and growth, you might get a lot of spiritual growth and insight on this day. 21st, we have the Page of Ariel. An excellent opportunity will be offered to you. Okay. Scholarships or the pursuit of education, time to get to work. You guys might end up getting some kind of scholarships if you guys are especially working in research or R&D, maybe PhDs. For others of you, it can be scholarship related to some other form of education. And time to get to work. If you guys took a break or something, it's time to get back to work. Focus on your work. 20th, 21st. 22nd, we have the 10 of Gabriel. Ask your angels for helpful people to lighten your load. Whosoever you believe in, angel, divine, universe, whatever you call it, the same thing. Ask for helpful people around you so that your load is going to be lightened. Working too many hours, either you are going to work too many hours or you are going to work on multiple things at the same time. Trying too hard to please others. Don't try to please others. Don't try too hard to please others. People pleasing is never going to give you anything good in return. Ever you are going to be disappointed at the end of the day. So it's better to stay in your lane, do your thing, don't harm or hurt anybody. Just stop the people pleasing game, because it's the ending is always horrible. 20th, 21st, 22nd, you are always going to disappoint someone. So not a good idea. 20th, 21st, 22nd. What's happening? 20th, 21st, 22nd. 23rd, we have the 5 of Michael. This situation doesn't serve you. Release your attachment to the outcome. Consider taking a more uplifting approach. Something is not serving your purpose anymore in your life. Release your attachment to the outcome. You might be trying to achieve something in your life, and your attachment to the outcome is a little bit matter of concern, because you might be too attached to the outcome, and if things are not happening exactly the way you want them to be, it might upset you. So you have to, if you want something faster in your life, anything, if you want your manifestations to come faster, you guys have to release the attachment to the outcome. Healthy attachment is good, and healthy detachment is also required. Consider taking a more uplifting approach. Stay in positive and optimistic kind of energy, especially when it comes to a particular situation of your life, a particular thing that you are working on. Stay optimistic and positive. Don't go in the negative spiral or the pessimistic energy all the time. 21st, 2nd, 3rd. 24th, we have the 7 of Raphael. Time to make a decision. Be clear on what you want and take action. A need for detoxification. You guys have to make some kind of decision or choice in a particular situation. Be very, very clear about what you want. This is like a manifestation that that you guys are working on, but clarity might be missing, or you might be changing your manifestation again and again and again. Time to make a decision, be clear on what you want, and take actions accordingly. A need for detoxification. For some of you, it's like a literal physical detoxification. For others of you, it can be digital or mental detox. Like take a break for some time if it is possible, and good to go. 25th, we have the Nine of Gabriel. Stay determined and move forward. Determination is highly, highly required, and self confidence is highly, highly required in order to move forward. Be prepared for any possibility. Anything can happen on this day. Anything can happen any time of the day. I don't know the meaning of this line, but I think in whatever area of your life you are working very hard. Now be prepared for any kind of possibility. Environmental activism, if you are one of those people who love environment, who are into some kind of environmental activism or something, this day might be important for you. 26, what we have, Libra, is the Knight of Michael. Time to move quickly. Okay, this day can provide you some kind of opportunity, and that can convert into a missed opportunity very quickly if you guys are not going to act upon it the way you guys should. Okay, choose logic over emotions. When it comes to an emotional situation, overwhelming situation, choose logic over your emotions. Sudden unexpected changes are foreseen on this particular day. So some kind of offers, some kind of situation is going to be presented to you. If you guys are going to act upon it quickly, things are going to be really good. If you guys are going to think about it, you might miss the chance or opportunity here. Okay, and choose logic over emotions. Let's see the guidance here for you guys, honey, for this week. The final message. So we have the Ace of Ariel. It's your lucky day, it's your lucky week. New resources of money, time, or support. You guys are going to get new resources of time, money, and support. A change in job or a promotion is also foreseen. So keep going. Do not procrastinate the important things that you should be doing at that particular moment only. Release the past and release the attachment to the outcome that you guys are having. And most importantly, something is not serving your purpose in your life anymore. The time has come for you to say goodbye and keep moving forward. Okay, and choosing logic over emotion is going to be a good idea for this week for you guys. Cool. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.